Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Mailchimp to Zapier for lead data automation step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once inside, navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. Select the audience you wish to connect to Zapier. In the Audience dashboard, click on Settings located on the right side. Scroll down to find Webhooks in the Settings menu. Click on Webhooks to open the Webhook Management page. Now, click on the Create New Webhook button. In the URL field, enter your Zapier webhook URL. To find your Zapier webhook URL, open a new tab and log into your Zapier account. Create a new Zap using the Webhook app as the trigger. Select Catch Hook and copy the URL provided. Return to your Mailchimp account and paste this URL into the Webhook URL field. Under the Which events would you like to send to the URL section, select the events that trigger data sending. Make sure to check all options relevant to your lead data. For the Select a format, choose JSON for data format compatibility. Click Save to complete the webhook configuration. Once saved, return to Zapier to test your webhook connection. In your new Zap, click on Test Trigger to receive a sample payload from Mailchimp. Ensure that the sample data appears correctly in Zapier. If the sample is received, proceed to set up the Action app as desired. Follow the prompts to configure your Action app, such as CRM or spreadsheet software. Map the fields from the Mailchimp data to the corresponding fields in your Action app. Click Continue to review your setup. Once satisfied with the configuration, click Turn on Zap to activate it. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Mailchimp to Zapier for lead data automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.